If you're looking to replace the oil in your Royal Enfield Himalayan, you've found the right place. What you'll need for the work is a 21mm ratchet socket, an 8mm T-handle, 2 quarts of 20 weight 50 synthetic oil, an oil filter, funnel, the crush washers, and an oil collection container. Optional, but I do recommend, are disposable gloves, shop towels, and degreaser. Step 1. Start your bike. First, let your bike run for a minute to heat up the oil. It will drain easier. Turn off your bike and place your oil collection container underneath. I would recommend putting your bike on the center stand. It gives more space for your drain pan. Next, get your 21mm socket and crack open the drain bolt. It is located on the lower left side of the bike and has 2 8mm bolts next to it. Remove the bolt and drain the oil into your ready oil collection container. As you can see on screen, why I recommend the center stand over the kickstand. Once your oil is close to being fully drained, remove the 8mm bolts next to the drain bolt. This will give you access to the oil screen. Remove the screen, take note which way it's facing, and scrape off anything that's collected. Return the screen and secure the access port. Make sure to remove the crush washer from the bolt or the access port. Install the new crush washer onto the bolt. Reinstall the oil drain bolt. Next, we're moving to the right side of the bike and removing the oil filter. Use an 8mm T-handle to remove the oil filter cover. Take note that the long bolt goes on the bottom. Remove the old gasket and remove the old filter. If the filter isn't budging, then lightly pry at it with a flathead screwdriver. Remove your new filter from the box. When installing the new filter, take a little bit of oil and smear it on the inside. It'll go on a lot easier. In the same box, there should be a new gasket for the filter cover. Apply the new gasket to the filter cover and reinstall the cover assembly. Remove the thumb screw on top of the engine casing. Install your funnel. Add your 2 quarts of oil into the bike. Once you're done adding oil, reinstall the thumb screw. Take a moment for a visual inspection. Look where you took out all the bolts for oil leakage. If there are no leaks, then start your bike and listen for any irregular sounds. Nice job! You've just completed your oil change. Take your bike around the block to see if there are any strange noises. You can take pride in the fact that you know that the work was done right. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like or a comment. Please consider subscribing. I'm planning on making other videos on the Royal Enfield Himalayan and its maintenance. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.